The guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Wwhu. Wwhu is the ransomware from the Wwhu ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect the files. So before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Wwhu ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and then it is impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, of course, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so do not waste the money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. File decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner, and it is not possible for any other antivirus. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Consider premium license, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. As for file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to protect your data.